So the point of this is to make a template and create variables that start with the word GEO and put those on a spreadsheet, and then we can create several pages automatically and use some things that stay constant and some things that change. So we want to change like the city page or the service page. And the way we would do that is designate a variable with the word geo. So right now, geo SEO title is the H1 for this page, which would be rent moving boxes in, LA. But we're going to designate it as geo SEO title, and on our spreadsheet we're going to put the actual H1 heading. Now, several things on the page can remain the same, like if we have a page in LA and a page in wherever, San Diego, San Francisco, maybe we want each one to have its own H1 and slug and meta description and paragraph, but we want the pictures on the right to remain the same, and we want that Rent Now button in green to remain the same. This is a way to create like 100 pages with the same template, and we can just input on a spreadsheet what we want each separate city page to have, and it would automatically change the variables. So as long as we designate what the variables are, I can handle it from there. So I do have a master spreadsheet that I can work with here. What I need you to do is take the page that we have for the Amish metal roofing and make a template out of that page using certain items to be variables, and then changing those things to say geo SEO title. That would be one variable. So I need you to go through the website, determine what things can remain constant, what things need to change for each page, and then go ahead and do those changes and kind of clean up the website if there's something that doesn't really make sense on the template, like maybe on the mobile it doesn't work as well on desktop, or it cuts off some words. We would want you to fix that. That way we can take one template and clone that and make that into multiple pages. So obviously some things would remain constant and some things would be variable on each particular page. So here's the Amish metal page that we do have, and you can clean this up, make sure everything is working well on this site. It's a template we want to use, and then we would go ahead and see, maybe right here I want to keep that box there constant, but here on this H2 I may want to change that, and the paragraph underneath it, that may change. The pictures may stay the same. We just want new alt tags, and I can change that automatically, but the pictures will remain the same. Maybe this, all these H2s and H3s would change. So you kind of have to go through and figure that out. So this is an example of the spreadsheet. You can see in the top orange, it has my variable words, geo SEO title, meta title, the city, the state, if I'm doing location pages or if I'm doing service pages, and everything that starts with the word geo, as long as it matches up to your template, it will automatically input anything in my spreadsheet onto that page.